Hi everyone. I am here quarantined still in my kitchen. So I decided to try the recipe for the Disney World Churros. And I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you in a few minutes. Just wanted to remind you, I am not a YouTuber, so this is my second video. But if it makes it to a channel, be sure to like it and subscribe below. And if you see it on my Facebook page, like it and share with your friends. And if you don't want to see me make any more videos, then contact me to book your next trip. Keep in mind, we're booking into 2021 right now. It takes just a $200 deposit to put a Disney World trip on hold. These churros are easy to make. Your kids can make them with you. Mine would have, but they're too cool for me. So they're in their rooms. So tell me what you think.